Hi students, welcome to my channel Easy Maths by Uncle. And today in this video, I am starting second exercise of sets. Okay, this is the fifth video on sets. And my humble request to students, those who are watching this video first time, please subscribe this channel and also watch all my uploaded videos. By that you can understand maths easily, right? Now do these problems. First one, set A, he has given 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Students, all of you remember set represented by capital alphabets. Okay? And elements represented by small alphabets or numbers. And these are said to be elements. Elements are separated by commas. Don't forget to put commas between elements. And also set of elements that are represented within braces. Okay, this is the starting brass, this is the ending brass, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4 in set A, 2, 4 elements in set B. See, it is having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Now pi, we know pi means null set or empty set, also said to be void set. It is, there are no elements in that. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable subset or not subset. We have to check whether the first set is subset of second set or not. Okay, if it is subset, we have to put subset symbol or not subset. Okay, now A, whether it is subset or not subset of B. Observe the elements. In A, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. Observe that if all elements are also elements of set B, then it is subset. But in B only 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, these elements are not there in that. So what is this? First one is not a subset. Okay. Now see whether it is subset or not to set A. What are the elements in set C? Read the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Now check whether these elements are in set A or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Here you check in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 is not there. So it is also not a subset. Now B, subset or not to A. B, 2, 4, elements in B, 2, 4. Now read A, 2, 4, yes, 2, 4 elements are there. It is subset. B is subset of A. Okay. Now A to C. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is subset. Now B to C. What are the elements in B? 2, 4. Now check C. 2, 4. Yes, it is subset. Right? Now pi. Remember one thing? Pi, it is null set. Null set is subset of every set. Direct you can write. It is subset of B. Okay? Pi, null set. It is subset of every set. Okay? Now state. Which of the following statements are true? See, this is the symbol for null set. Here also very written. Pi means null set. Here also null set. It is represented by pi. So it is true. Right? So first one we can say it is true. Now second one. Pi equal to 0. Pi means it is null set. Why we will represent with the 0? Actually in pi set, number of elements, that is cardinal number 0. See, there are no elements in that. So number of elements 0. But don't show like this. So this one is false. Next, 0 equal to 0 element. Actually here always we have to represent set with the capital letter. 0 equal to 0 element, it is also false. Right. Now come to next to do these problems. Here A, let A 1, 3, 7, 8 elements, 1, 3, 7, 8, and B 2, 4, 7, 9 elements. Now find A intersection B. You know, actually in the previous video I explained what is intersection. Intersection means common elements of in two sets. Okay, observe set A and set B. What are the common elements? That is set B A intersection B. So how to find this one? A intersection B equal to, write the elements of set A first. 1, 3, 7, 8 intersection. Now set B 2, 4, 7, 9. Okay. Now what is the result? common elements. 1, is it there? No. 3, it's also not there. 7, yes, it is there. 8, it is not there. So result is only 7. So we are getting A intersection B is what? Only 7. That is the element, right? Now if A equal to something 6, 9, 11, that is 3 elements are there in set here. Pi, we know pi it is null set. Find A union pi. Union of sets means we have to join two sets. Okay, write the elements of set A and also set pi. Is there any elements in pi? No. So we will get again set A. Now A union pi. Write the elements of set A 6, 9, 11. Union pi. Symbol can be written like this. Now what are the elements in A union pi? Again we are getting only 6, 9, 11. Okay. So that is nothing but A. We are getting A union pi is A only. Okay. A union pi. Again we are getting set A. See, A. It is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. 10 elements are there. And B. 2, 3, 5, 7. 4 elements are there. Find A intersection B. Common elements. A intersection B means common. So A intersection B equal to first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And intersection, now what are the elements in B? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Now observe the common elements. Here 1, it is not there. 2, yes, it is there. Write down 2. 3, yes. 4, no. 5, yes. 6, no. 7, yes. 8, 9, 10. These elements are not there. So stop that one. So what is A intersection B here? 2, 3, 5, 7. These 4 are common elements. Now we will do some more. Do these problems. Now do this sixth problem. If set A having elements 4, 5, 6, set B 7, 8. Okay? Show that A union B equal to B union A. We know A union B equal to B union A in sets. This is the commutative law. Okay? We will prove that one. What is A union B? Write the elements of set A first. 4, 5, 6. Now put the symbol union. Now elements of B 7, 8. What is the result here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the elements in set A union B. Now what is B union A? B union A means first write the elements of B 7 and 8. Union. Now elements of set A 4, 5, 6. Now write the combination of elements. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Directly under we will write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Observe here A union B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B union also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That implies A union B equal to B union A. Right? So under union sets are commutative. Right? Commutative law is false. Now if A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, B 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. Find A minus B and B minus A. Are they equal? A minus B means we have to remove the elements of B from A. Okay? We have to remove the elements of B from A. B minus A means we have to remove the elements of set A from B. I told in different way also. A minus B means A minus of A intersection B. B minus A means B minus of A intersection B. So first we have to observe intersection part. Simply that part we have to remove from A. We will get A minus B. See first A minus B. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now minus symbol. Now B 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? A minus B. So from A we have to remove B elements. Here 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Read here 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 4, 5. Only we have to cut 4, 5. Why? That is in intersection part. Here 4, 5 elements are there. Here also 4, 5 elements are there. From A set we are removing intersection part. So what are the remaining elements? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. That is A minus B. Take this one as first equation. Now what is B minus A? First write down elements of B. 4, 5, 6, 7 minus What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now same thing. Read the elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, if elements are there, cut that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, only 4, 5 elements are there. So combination part. From 4, 5, 6, 7, we have to cut A intersection B part. That is 4, 5. Now remaining elements 6, 7. This is B minus A, equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, here 1, 2, 3 elements, here 6, 7 elements. So from 1 and 2 equations, A minus B not equal to B minus A. Okay, we can say A minus B not equal to B minus A. Now come to 8th problem. If one set A, E, I, O, U and one more B, A, I, K, U. In that elements, A, I, K, U, 4 elements are there. Now what is B minus B and B minus B? Same thing. B minus B. First write down the elements of B. A, E, I, O, U minus. What are the elements of B? A, I, K, U. Now observe the intersection part here. A, I, U. A, I, U. These are intersection part. Okay? Cancel that. A, I, U. Now what are the remaining elements? E and O. Okay? Simply what is B minus B? E, O. Now what is B minus B? Write down the elements B first. A, I, K, U minus. Now what are the elements of B? A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Now same combination part. A, I, U. Cut A, I, U. Now only K is there. Okay? What are the elements? K. So here also we can say B minus B not equal to B minus V. B minus B equal, but B minus V only K. Both are not equal. Now only one problem I am solving from try this. What is this? Try this problem. Read the problem. If A 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Now what is asking? Find A intersection B, A union B. Both we have to find. A union B and also A intersection B. What do you notice from the result is asking? So first A, B elements given. Now what is A union B? See, write down the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. Now elements of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now result. Total elements we have tried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these elements are repeating. We can write only one time. Okay, that is A union B. So this one suppose first equation. Now A intersection B. A intersection B. Write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is intersection part? Combination elements, common elements. Okay? A intersection B means common elements in both set A and set B. What are the elements common here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements common in both sets. That is equation 2. Yes. He is asking what you notice. Observe here. In set A, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. These elements in set B also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here A subset of B. All elements of A are in set B. Okay? That's why we are getting A union B, again big set B. A intersection B, small set A. Okay? So here, what do you notice means? A subset of B actually. All elements of A are in set B. That implies A union B equal to big set we will get B and A intersection B equal to A, small set we will get A. Right? And one more thing here, A intersection B, A subset of B, that implies one more thing what we are noticing here, A intersection B, subset of A union B. Remember this one also. Always A intersection of B will be subset of A union B. Right? We will go to exercise. Students, I am starting exercise problems. I will do very fastly, try to follow the problems. If A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, set B having 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, find A intersection B and B intersection A or the same. We will check. Actually, A intersection B equal to B intersection A. That is completely we know already. What is A intersection B? Write down the elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection. Now elements of B 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Right? What are the common elements here? 1, yes, it is there. 2, it is there. 3, it is also there. 4, it is not there. So stop here. This is A intersection B. Okay, equation 1. Now what is B intersection A? Write down the elements of B first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection. Now elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what are the common elements here? 1, yes, it is there. 2 is there. And 3 is there. 5, 6. These elements are not there. Only these are common elements, right? This is B intersection A, equation 2. From 1 and 2, A intersection B 1, 2, 3, B intersection A also 1, 2, 3. Therefore, from 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Okay? Come into the pause here. If A equal to 0 to 4 elements, find A intersection pi and A intersection A. We have to do comments on that. Okay? First we will do A intersection pi. What are the elements of A? 0 to 4. Okay? 0 to 4. Intersection pi. Pi means simply we have to write empty set. Right? Are there any common elements? 0 to 4. Here, null set it is. So, no common elements. So, A intersection pi is what? We are getting pi. So, there are no common elements here. Right? That is pi. Combination elements are there, but common elements are not there. Okay? A intersection pi 0 to 4 here, no elements. So, there is no common element, that is empty set only. A intersection pi we are getting pi. Okay? Now, A intersection A. A intersection A means we have to write elements of A. Again, intersection same elements 0 to 4. Now, what we are getting? 0 to 4. Intersection part 0 to 4. They are repeating here also. Okay? So, A intersection A, we are getting 0 to 4, that is nothing but A. Okay, so A intersection pi, we are getting pi. Similarly, A intersection A, we are getting same set A. These are the comments. Okay, now if A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, B 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, the other elements. Now find A minus B and B minus A. What is A minus B? A elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Write down the elements of A set minus, now write down the elements of B set. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So, what I told you already? We have to cut the common elements. Okay, what is A intersection B? First observe here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Common elements 6. Yes. Only 6 is there. So we have to cut 6. Cut down. Now what are the remaining elements? 2, 4, 8, 10. This is the answer. A minus B. Okay. Now what is B minus A? First write down the elements. B. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Minus A. A means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here also B minus A means from B we have to cut common elements. We know common elements only 6. Cut down 6. What are the remaining elements? 3, 9, 12, 15. Okay? Simple. This is B minus A. You can write A minus B, that is first equation. B minus A, this is second equation. What you notice? You will ask sometimes like that. We can write here A minus B not equal to B minus A. Okay? From equation 1 and 2, A minus B not equal to B minus A. See, fourth one. If A and B are two sets such that A subset of B, then what is A union B? A subset of B means all elements of set A are also elements of set B. Okay, in simple method, we will do this one. Let A one set elements 2, 4 I am taking. Okay, only two elements. Now we will take set B We have to take 2, 4 compulsory here also. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 2, 4 elements are there. Here A subset of B. Okay? A subset of B. Why A subset of B? All elements of A are in set B. Now he is asking to find A union B. We will do A union B. A 2, 4 elements union. Now B 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the result here? Now combination of set A and set B we are right. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 elements only. This is nothing but set B. Okay. Same result we are getting A union B. Again we are getting B. Why? Because A subset of B. So what is A union B? Set B. By this we can write if A subset of B, then A union B equal to big set B. Okay, A intersection B will get set A. Okay, small set A. Right, we will do some more. Students, this fifth problem, it is very very important. It is regularly coming in exams, so all of you follow carefully. Very simple problem this one also. If A equal to x such that x is a natural number, he has given set builder form. We know what are natural numbers. Okay. Later we will write in roster form. Then only we can solve the problems. B x such that x is an even natural number. C x such that x is an odd natural number. D x such that x is a prime number. So we will write this list in roster form. Then we have to find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. Okay, very fast I am doing. Follow carefully. First one, A. What are the elements in set A? This is set builder form. I am writing in roster form. Natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Okay, that is set A. Now what is set B? Set B is x such that even natural numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. Okay, that is set B. Now what is set C? Set C, odd natural number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. Okay, that is set C. Now what is set D? Prime number list. 2. First even prime number. 2. Only one number is the even number. Okay. Next 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. Okay. Right. This is the roster form of given set builder form. Now first one. What is asking to find? A intersection B. Okay. What is A intersection B here? First write down the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on, natural numbers. Intersection. Now B. So what is set B here? Set B is even list. Even number list is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all natural numbers are there, but here only even numbers are there. Now intersection means common numbers we have tried. What are the common numbers? See, these even numbers are there in natural number list also. So same numbers will come here. That is the result. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. So again we are getting even numbers. So A intersection is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We can write simply set B we are getting. Okay. Again we are getting set B. Now next A intersection C. A intersection C. First write down the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on, like that. Set A intersection. Now C. C is odd number list. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. Okay. So see, all natural numbers are there. Here only odd numbers are there. So common numbers means again these odd numbers will come here also. So the odd number list only we are trying again. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Because odd numbers in set C and set A are also appearing. So only common numbers we are trying. These elements are again set C. So result is C we are getting. Next one, A intersection D. So what are the elements of set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Right? Intersection. Now D. 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are prime number list. Okay? Set A, all elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, total numbers are there. But here only prime numbers are there. These prime numbers we can see here also. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay? So we'll get only prime numbers again. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. So what is the result? We are getting again D. A intersection B, B only. A intersection C, C only. A intersection D, D only. Okay. Now what is B intersection C? B intersection C. First elements of B, even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Okay. Intersection. Now C, odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. Okay. Here common numbers we have to observe. Here even numbers are there. Here odd numbers are there. There is no common element here. So empty set we are getting, right? We are getting empty set. There is no common element. So write down pi. So B intersection C result is pi. Now B intersection D. B again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That are even number list. And also D. This prime number list. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. Okay. What are the common elements here? 2. It is there. Now even numbers. But here odd numbers are there. So only 2 even number. Okay. Only 2 we are getting common element in B and D. Now finally C intersection D. C intersection D. C means odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. Okay. Intersection. Now D. Prime number list. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, so on. Okay. Now what are the common elements? 1, it is not there. 3, it is there. 5, it is there. 7, it is there. So what are the elements? 3, 5, okay. 7 is there. Observe here. 9, it is not there. Again 11 is there. Next 13. So what are the numbers here we are getting? All prime numbers will come except 2. Okay. C intersection D. Here odd numbers are there. Here also odd numbers are there. And 2 is there. So combination we will get only prime number list except 2 in answer. Right? Okay. Students, sixth problem. He has given set A 3 table elements. Set B 4 table elements. Set C 2 table elements. And D 5 table elements. Okay. Now find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A. All subtraction problems, difference problems. Okay. Same similar problems. If you follow all this, the difference of sets it will fix in your mind. Okay. Right. First one A minus B. First I will do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. Set A elements minus. Now set B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now what is the result? A minus B means the elements are in set A but not in B. Okay. 3, it is not there. 6, not there. 9, not there. 12, yes, it is there. Cancel that one. 15, 18, 21, they are not there. So 3, 6, 9 remaining elements. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. 15, 81, 15, sorry, 18 and 21. So only common elements we have to cut from the first set. Common element is only 12, right? Now what is A minus C? First write down the elements of A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Right? Minus. Now C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now here also we have to cut common elements from the first set. So what are the common elements? 3. It is not there. 6. Yes. Again 12. It is there. Okay. Next 18. It is not there. Now remaining elements 3, 9, 15. 3, 9, 15. 18, 21. 18, 21. So here common elements 6 and 12 we have to cut from the first set. Now A minus D, write down first A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus, now what is set D? 5, 10, 15, 20. We have to cut these elements in this set. That means common elements. Which is common here? Here 15 is there. Okay. Now remaining elements. Only 15 is the common element in these two sets. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. 18, 21. 18, 21. Right. Now next B minus A. Right. First set B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Minus. Now set A. A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. Now common elements we have to cut in the first set. What are the common elements here? Observe. 8, 12, yes, 12 is common. Now 16, 20, nothing. So 4, 8 common elements we have to cut. Remaining elements 4, 8, 16, 20. Okay. Now C minus A. What are the elements of C? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Set C. Okay. Now set A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. That is what? So common elements we have to cut. Common elements 6. 6 is common. Next 12 is common. Okay. So now remaining elements 2, 4, 8, 10. 2, 4, 8, 10. 14, 16. 14, 16. Like that. Okay. Now D minus A. First write down the elements of D. What are D? 5, 10, 15, 20. Minus now A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Students, we can do in other way also. See, what is the result? Simply you observe first 5. Is it there? No. Write down the 5. Okay. Now 10. It is also not there. Write down. Now 15. Yes, it is there. So cut that one. Now 20. It is not there. Okay. In this way also you can write. Now what is B minus C? First B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus. Now what is C? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Here also we will do same thing. 4, is it there? Yes. Cut down that one. 8, yes, it is there. Now 12, it is also there. 16, it is also there. What is the result? Only 20 you are right. Finish. In this way also you can solve. Now B minus D. First elements of B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus. Now elements of D. 5, 10, 15, 20. So what is the result? 4. It is not there. Write down 4. 8. It is not there. Write down 12. It is also not there. Next 16. It is not there. Now 20. It is there. Cut down that. So this is the result. Okay. Now C minus B. C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus. Now what is B? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Now the result. 2. It is not there. 4. It is there. 6 is not there. Again 8 is there. 10 is not there. 12 is there. 14 is not there. 16 is there. Now the remaining elements. So these elements are common. So we cut the elements. 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14. This is the result. Now finally C minus D. What are the elements of C? 2 table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. Minus. Now what is D? 5 table. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Now see here. 2. It is not there. Write down 2. Next 4 is not there. 6 is not there. 8 is not there. Okay. 10 it is there. Cut down that. Now 12, 14, 16. they are not appearing there. So 12, 14, 16. This is the result. Okay. In this way, we can solve difference of sets. Students, this is the last problem in this exercise. State whether statement is true or false. He has given 1, 2, 3, 4 problems and asking whether they are disjoint sets or not. Remember one thing. A and B two sets are there. When they are disjoint sets, if there is no common element, okay, if their intersection part is pi, it is null set. If there is no common element, its intersection is pi, then they are disjoint sets. Okay, we will check here. Two sets, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Here 3, 6 elements. Here common element is there. Okay, what is common element here? Common element is 3. Okay, if there is no common element, then they are disjoint sets. Common element is 3, so they are not disjoint sets. Okay, these are overlapping sets, joint sets, not joints. So statement is false. Okay, he has given disjoint sets. That statement is false because there is common element. Now here, is there any common element here? Common element. Come on, check the common element. A. Only A? Yes. Only A common element. Anyhow, common element is there. Okay. Common element equal to A. So, they are joint sets. It means not disjoint sets. Not disjoint. He has given these are disjoint sets. So, statement is false. Now, 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15. Is there any common element here? Common element equal to, see, 2, 6, 10, 14. Even numbers, odd numbers. So, no chance. Pi. That is pi. Null set. Now we can say these are disjoint sets. Okay. There is no common element. So, these are disjoint sets. Okay, disjoint sets. Statement is true, right? Now, 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11. Here even numbers, odd numbers. Here also common element, no chance. Okay, common element is what? Pi, right? So, these are disjoint sets. Okay, if there is no common element, they are disjoint sets. That is given. So we can say statement is true, right? Next, I will upload this third exercise. Okay, next video I will upload third exercise completely. Right? Thank you.